Dad Life community, what's up? All right, today, super exciting day. We went over 500 subscribers. Yes, you heard it here. 500 subscribers to Dad Life channel in less than 3 months. I am super excited. I just can't thank all of you subscribers enough and all the new subscribers that have just joined this channel. You guys, I really appreciate all the support and the love that you're showing to this channel. Tonight, we are cooking a really good meal. We are making country fried pork steak on the Blackstone Griddle. All right, everyone, we're inside the house and we're getting ready to prepare our country fried pork steak. We have our cubed pork right here with 1.5 cups of flour, a cup of milk, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. We already have it in here, already measured out, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it up and get this ready to pour into the flour. As you can see, I have the cubed pork right here with our cutting board, and we're going to use this kitchen mallet to kind of just flatten out that meat before we go ahead and bread it. And I'm going to bring in my videographer to help me out with that today. Hey, Savannah. This is my awesome videographer who does a lot of my videos, and she wanted to be on this side of the camera today, helping out a little bit. So we're going to do some Dad Life cooking right here. Check it out. All right, so Savannah is going to go ahead and flatten out the meat. As you can see, I've already mixed up the 2 eggs, and I'm going to go ahead and pour in the 1 cup of milk, and we're going to mix that together. So Savannah's finishing up on the last piece of pork steak right now. And then we're going to go ahead and start putting our flour on with our egg wash, back to the flour mixture, and then over here to this plate. Want to really get it down in there and get it all on there. You gonna do the egg?
Sure.
All right. Teamwork. Okay, we got our last piece of pork steak here that we're gonna bread up. Savannah's gonna put the bowl in the sink. And then we are gonna get things ready to prep for the gravy. And then we're going to go back outside and get everything on the griddle and be ready to go. All right, everyone, here's our country fried pork steak all breaded up and ready to go on the griddle. I'm going to go ahead and get some oil on here and move it around so we have plenty of room to get these on here. This is going to be a very quick cook. Once these get on here, the idea is to keep turning them every couple minutes so we do not let them burn. All right, here we go. I can hear it crackling already. Look at that. That is a nice golden brown right there. Oh, beautiful. All right, so I'm going to put this warming rack here on the griddle and get these off the direct flame. Direct heat, I should say. No flames here. Go ahead and add a little salt to the top. All right, we have our 3 tablespoons of butter in our skillet here, and we're gonna make our gravy on the Blackstone Griddle. Here we go. All right, we wanna get this butter melted down. Once this butter melts, we're gonna stir in our 3 tablespoons of flour, and we're gonna continue stirring that until we make a pasty roux. All right, our butter is completely melted. We're gonna go ahead and pour in our 3 tablespoons of flour, and then we're gonna keep stirring that around until we get a nice paste. All right, we got our paste going. We have 3 cups of milk. We're gonna pour in about a cup. Maybe a little bit more. All right, and a little bit more. And we're gonna keep stirring that. Pour in some more milk. Whoa, stirring a little too fast there. And while I'm stirring in this other cup of milk here, I'm gonna go ahead and add our salt and pepper that was already measured out earlier. 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper. All right, we're gonna pour in our final cup of milk and keep stirring it. And the whole thing here now is to keep stirring it till it comes to a boil without letting it burn. While I'm continuing to stir the gravy so it doesn't burn, I'm going to get this meat off. Once again, thank you for another helping hand, Caitlin. Thank you, Caitlin. And you can see that our gravy is definitely boiling pretty good now. Thank you. I'm going to turn the temperature down a little bit so that way it will thicken up nicely. We got our cube pork steak inside, and here's our gravy. We're going to get it inside and go enjoy our meal. Come on inside. All right, there you have it. Our country fried pork steak with some mashed potatoes and of course our broccoli. We got to stay strong. Let's dig into this and see how it is. I like to dip my country fried pork steak into my mashed potatoes. Here we go. Wow, that is some really good country fried pork steak. Everyone, again, thank you so much for the love and support you've shown the Dad Life channel. I'm super excited where we're going with this. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. We got a lot more videos coming out and we're super excited. Everyone, have a great night. Thanks again for supporting Dad Life.